Yeah, okay, you're probably going to want to see this. Lots of times I may not show everything, and then somebody will say, hey Joe, what about this, what about that? Or I show too much. Sometimes I show too much and people don't like that either. Hey Joe, just get to the point. I didn't want to see you move the toilet, I just wanted to see how to install it. Okay, well, I don't know. Okay, lift with your legs. Oh. Wow. I'm not kidding, that is one heavy piece. Yes. Okay. Put this on there. Got their floor mat. I'm just going to use it. And we're going to bring it on down again. Just like before. Just like before. Whoa. Okay. Slide this over. Just a hair. I like to keep my hand down here, not up at the top of this, just in case this snaps off. I don't think it ever would, but I don't really want to take the chance, you know? There. I just be careful with these things. Now I can get over to that side and scrape the rest of the toilet. Have fun. Oh, poor toilet. I'll be installing this pretty soon, don't you worry about that. I've got all kinds of videos on my station that show you all types of things about toilets. Just go down to my main channel page and find the playlist button. Click on there and scroll down to the toilet from hell or all about toilets or something. Okay, and you'll see every single video I've ever done about toilets. You can find it there. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. We're almost ready to install this toilet. Not quite. Okay, I just cleaned off the edge here. And just don't forget, when you have the toilet down, look around the edge here in case you have some wax residue still up around there, of which I did, and I've already scraped that out because you want to get that all nice and clean. That's clean enough. Right like that. I don't have any big clumps of wax on there. Okay. So now that toilet, I pretty much have everything ready for that. Now I'm going to look at this and make a determination of what to do with the Hercle flange and how I'm going to get the waxless ring on there. You see here, this is what I'm going to use. Kaboom, right there. See that? That's what I'm going to use instead of beeswax ring. And it came with an extra piece there. What on earth is that for? Well, stick around, I'll show you that too. It came with that. Here's some directions for you. And the one I'm using, Fluid Master, better than wax. Toilet seal, no leaks, worry free, fits any drain, any toilet. That's what I like.